Hi, it's Keto Granny, and I'd like to let you know that the video that I'm going to make this evening is about what foods that you can eat on the keto diet. This video will show you the foods that I've eaten on the keto diet, some of the foods that I've eaten on the keto diet. They're very nutritious meals, and it'll give you an idea of some of the dishes that you can make with certain foods. You can have things like eggs, bacon, sausage, spinach, and you can make many dishes with these. Also with the different meats that you have, ground beef, pork, whatever you use. So this video is just going to give you information as far as the type of foods that you can eat and the way that you can fix them. Enjoy. What foods can I eat on keto? You can eat just about any type of food on keto except for the foods that are forbidden. And I'm going to go over that list a little bit later. Now, some of the basic staples that I keep at home are eggs, bacon, sausage, spinach, cheese. I like strawberries, and I use avocado a lot. These are the staples that I use over and over again in my everyday cooking. I like to plate my food where it looks appealing to eat, and that way I feel good when I'm eating it, and it tastes good. So if you fix your plates where your food looks appealing and delicious, you will enjoy it a lot better. The foods on the keto diet are very nutritious and full of nutrients. As you can see, you can have a different variety of the foods. You can combine them in different ways. You can make omelets. You can use those ingredients. You can make just all type of dishes. Just combine them any way that you can. There you see a stuffed pepper, and that was really delicious. Try to eat 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day on the keto diet. As you see, you can have bread. You can learn how to make all of the foods that you're missing. You can learn how to make those foods keto style. That's a pastrami sandwich with cheese, and it was delicious. You can replace foods that you like. You just have to learn to make them keto style. As far as ice cream, you can make ice cream, cookies, all of those desserts that you miss. Now, you want to get your cravings under control, but now for myself, I do crave sweet sometime, and so I like to keep fat bombs. There are many different types of fat bombs that you can make. Those are sea salt fat bombs. That's another ice cream. I made chocolate walnut ice cream. It was delicious. There you see some more fat bombs, and I had an assortment. I had Almond Joy, Peanut Butter Cup. Great, and they get you through. They give you energy. They will tide you over those fat bombs. Hamburgers. I love hamburgers. They are great. As you can see, deviled eggs. I like those a lot. You can fix your eggs many different ways on keto too. Eggs are a good staple to eat. I keep boiled eggs in the refrigerator. Eggs are like half fat and half protein, so they're very handy. Foods that you must avoid on the keto diet are wheat, bread, sugar, milk, corn, rice, beans, pasta, candy, cakes. All of that you need to avoid. Some of the meats that I use are ground beef, pastrami steaks, chicken, pork, ribs, hot link, and I like the Mariner hot dogs when I find those available. I usually try to eat at least two types of vegetables per meal. And I love my salads. On my salads, I like to drench olive oil with sea salt, or I use pink Himalayan salt. And also I put MCT oil on it sometimes. So you can get your fats in by using different oils and things like that. Also, you get your fats in the meats that you cook with. In the meats that you cook, I'm sorry. As you can see, there are many delicious meals that you can have on the keto diet. I know I'm stumbling over some of my words, but just bear with me. The foods are great. You lose weight and you'll stay full. That's one of the things that I liked about this diet. I was able to eat foods that I enjoyed, that I liked, that were filling, and that were satisfying. This is the only diet that I've ever did where I was able to eat and to be satisfied. As you can see, I had donuts. I finally had donuts with coffee. I haven't had that in years, and I enjoyed it. It was a keto Krispy Kreme. So take your keto journey and make it your keto journey.